Okay. Oh, fuck! No! No! Well, joke's on you guys, because this is gonna sound really freaking disgusting. I'm gonna grab a pickle right now, and I'm gonna warm it up in the microwave, and I'm gonna bring it out. I hope it doesn't blow up. Be right back. I've acquired the warm pickle, and it smells just as gross as I figured it would smell. But what's important to me is that you guys hear this. What's important to me is that you guys listen to the sound of me biting into this, because I want you to feel how gross it's gonna be. I fucking hate warm pickles. If I eat a cheeseburger and they forgot to take my pickle out, bro, I hate a warm pickle. Ready? Tell me if you guys can hear it. Gross. Oh my god. My skeleton wants to crawl out of my body. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, it's so juicy. Gross. I'm gonna be freaking sick. Oh, I'm gonna be freaking sick. My eyeballs twitching. Oh, fuck. This is the last bite. Oh, fuck. Why is this so wet? Why is this so wet?
Do not come. Do not come.
Did you guys hear it? Eating the whole pickle's base, I thought you'd take a few bites. No, I'm fucking awesome and I'm fucking cool. Who said the ushy gushy pickleissy? Who said the ushy gushy pickleissy? I just want to ask a quick question.